just wanted to show you guys the progress. And finally, we're having some shelves installed here.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
My kitchen. Please don't mind my dirty utensils. But anyway, our main focus is here. I can finally show off my kitchen, and yeah, that's it about today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like down there. Follow me on Instagram at Naomy Kikky. Remember, I forgot to tell you guys something. I bought a half of the board. I got the one for 1500, but kulikuwa na 1800. I don't know the difference. Yeah, and then it was cut these two, and this, all of this. And also something important that I forgot to tell you guys, previous doors zilikuwa na maua something. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. But zilikuwa na maua, you get that before I show you. So these ones I didn't put that flower because for one door it was going for I think 300, and this 300, and I was like, see me hata nilikuwa nimeharibu hizo zingine, plus it looks good as well. Yeah, so these are the flowers that I was talking about. Like fundi aliniambia zinaitwa flowers. That was a lot of money, and that was not even in my budget because already nilikuwa nishanunua contact paper, sikutumia, then nikaongeza pesa ingine ya kulipa fundi, then I bought the board. Like, oh my god, but I was just ready to spend to make my place look nice. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and of course soon I'm coming back with a house tour because right now I don't have anything to hide. In my kitchen, it was only so disappointing. Anytime that I was feeling like ama nifanye house tour leo, then I would nilikuwa nakumbuka tu